Welcome to Newport, a community located in walking distance to Neabsco Creek Boardwalk, a part of the Potomac Heritage National Scenic Trail. This single-family home has a wonderful private backyard, large deck for cooking on the grill or entertaining, and a cozy wood stove in the family room. Open floor plan on main level, new carpet on stairs and upper level, and a spacious finished area on lower level that could be a fifth bedroom or rec room. Loads of storage space in the basement and plenty of parking with a 2-car garage, driveway and street side. Items that have all been replaced/updated: roof HVAC, rear windows, water heater, attic fan, siding and panel box. New lower level flooring being installed on July 31st. Convenient location close to I-95, RT1, commuter lots, Quantico, featuring Belvoir, Potomac Mills, and restaurants. Enjoy bike riding to Leesylvania State Park that has trails, picnic areas, beaches and a